Welcome to our channel. Today, we will present a leak spotted in the newspaper, Le Canard Enchaîné, revealing a memo issued by the French Ministry of Health requesting regional agencies to prepare for a major mobilization during the coming year, 2026. The memo calls for the establishment of specialized medical centers for war injuries near stations and airports, capable of receiving 100 wounded patients per day and up to 250 wounded during peak activity for several days. The documents also indicate that France may be used as a rear base for an international coalition, which explains the preparations for receiving large numbers of foreign soldiers likely to transit through the country. The Minister of Health responds that these measures are merely pre-preparation, similar to emergency stockpiles for epidemics, stressing that ensuring the readiness of the health system is the responsibility of the administration. However, the leak raises questions. Are we facing an actual plan to deal with a potential conflict, or routine procedures to prevent failure during crises? And what impact will this have on hospitals and civilians? Le Canard Enchaîné revealed that it had obtained documents indicating that the French Ministry of Health warned regional health agencies to prepare for crises within a year, under an article titled, "The Ministry of Health Mobilizes Hospitals for War." According to the newspaper, the ministry called on senior health officials to ensure that the health system is ready by March 2026 to face a major mobilization. Health Minister Catherine Vautrin requested the creation of medical centers specializing in war injuries, which could be activated in the event of a conflict. These centers should be located near stations and airports and should be able to receive 100 wounded per day, and up to 250 wounded for 3 days during peak activity. Thanks to its geographical location, France could be used as a rear base for an international coalition in a European conflict, according to the newspaper. Therefore, the government wants French hospitals to be ready to receive the thousands of foreign soldiers who may pass through France. The memo stated, according to the newspaper, these young, combat-ready men will need medical care, but mainly preventive measures such as screening and vaccination. In response to what the newspaper published, Vautrin told BFM TV that this memo was part of advance preparation, like strategic stockpiles to combat epidemics. "I wasn't in office during the COVID-19 pandemic, remember, and there weren't enough harsh words to describe the country's lack of preparedness." She added, "It's perfectly normal for the country to anticipate crises and the consequences of what's happening. This is part of the responsibility of the central administrations." If you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button to stay up to date. Share the video with your friends to spread the word, and write us your opinion in the comments. Do you think these preparations are justified or worrying? Do you expect an impact on public health services? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.